Deepak.
And this is Dashni.
We are from Aditya Vidyashram Residential School.
This is a normal which is used to open your traditional doors. Opening a door with this traditional key is very tireless as well as it provides more security. Now imagine a world where you can open your doors with just a scan.
So this is our QR code based door lock system. We have used a Raspberry Pi 3, a Solenoid lock and a relay module.
These applications often uses wireless communication technology to provide access and provide security.
So we have used two QR code. Deepak QR code has the access to unlock the door and the Hello World QR code doesn't have the access to unlock the door.
The door opens. This is authorized QR code. After 5 seconds, the door closed. Now another. Another one is hello world. This is not authorized code. So the door was not open.
Such technology provides crucial role in protecting your physical as well as intellectual properties.
So you can use a project for higher level security purposes.
Say goodbye to the traditional keys and say hello to Smart Scan.
You can use our project in your business's home today and upgrade your home by using our project for the higher level security, smart
Simple
and secure.